Hello Wooden Tots. So today's activities are all based around 2D shapes, learning their names, looking for symmetry and other extension activities that we can do with objects from around the house. Let me get started with giving you some lovely examples. So we usually start by choosing some really strong contrasting shapes. Your child might already know some shape names before we even start this activity. I'm going to choose a triangle, a circle, maybe just those two for today, and leave these to one side. And we take them out individually, so it's a really blank area around this, so we can just concentrate, and we'll just start by naming it. Do you know the name of this shape? This is a triangle. Triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangle. It's a lot of repetition, but that's how we're going to internalize the name of these new shapes. This is a circle. Circle. It's round. Can you say circle? Circle. Which one's the circle? Which one is the triangle? And we'll do this quite a few more times until the child's secure with the names. It's nice when you're out and about to notice these shapes, point them out. You'll start noticing them all over the house. Now, once they're secure with the names of the different shapes, maybe we'll start with a few, maybe we'll get them all out. It'd be nice to go for a little shape hunt around the house, and I've already done this, but this is part of the fun. We get a nice big basket, a box, or maybe the child brings them to where you're working on the floor of the table, and we can get sorting. Let's see here. That looks like the circle shape, doesn't it? And it's like an egg shape. There's the oval. That matches. It's the same. The square. And the possibilities are endless with this. You can get that prep for them maybe, or let them find it themselves. Next up, another extension activity for this, when they're a little bit more confident with their names of the shapes, or maybe just really enjoy puzzles, is creating these symmetry cards. Again, just cutting each shape in half and colouring them in to make it quite bold for them. Everything here I've just used paper, but it would be quite nice with something a bit more robust like cardboard or a cereal box, and getting them involved in painting. So we can lay out our shapes to help, and it's just a case of describing them, modelling it for them, and having some fun matching what goes where. That's the same. You could even encourage them to find where they match to with these base cards. Two halves making a whole. It's nice to use language. This is a pre-numeracy activity, so wherever we can involve some number language, descriptive words like pointy, round, even getting them to count the sides of the shape, the corners, enriching it any way you can. Other ideas on how we can extend this activity further is including mirrors to show the children how shapes can change with the different lines of symmetry. I'm sure you can come up with lots of other ideas of how to extend this activity. Tracing round shapes, colouring these shapes in, getting the scissors involved with cutting out symmetry lines, folding. Possibilities are endless. Enjoy Wooden Tots.